Hi there, my name is Kelly. Today we are practicing a mindful breathing meditation. So as you will see, super easy, smooth, just relax and focus on our inner selves. And if you like this practice, I do breathing meditations and also I do other types of meditations, spiritually focused, chakras focused manifestations. So let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position, seated with our legs crossed or not. You can also lie down, lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, or you do you, whatever position feels comfortable for you. But if sitting in a chair, have your feet planted on the floor. And keep your back, your spine long, tall, balanced. And feel free to rest your arms and palms wherever feels comfortable for you. Now let's start by focusing our attention on the breath. Our normal breath and its sensations. Feel the breath working as one anchor, grounding you on earth. Now let's take a few deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. And during the in-breaths, we count to 4. We hold at the top for 2 counts, and then we exhale on a count of 6. So here we go. Let's take the first deep breath. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, 1, 2. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, 1, 2. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, 1, 2. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, back to our normal breathing rhythm. Slowly start counting down from 10 to 1 until you're fully relaxed. Take your time. And if thoughts come into your mind, that's completely fine. No need to engage. Just let them in, let them go, and bring your awareness back to the breath. And if it helps, you can also repeat in your mind's eyes. Breathe in, 1, 2. Breathe out, 1, 2. Breathe in, 1, 2. Breathe out, 1, 2. And always remember to be kind to yourself. And when you're ready, you slowly bring your awareness to where you are, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. This meditation was a very short and sweet, as you can see. But we are also squashing the myth that we need a lot of time to meditate. As you can see, we can relax, dive into ourselves and find inner peace in just a short amount of time. I hope you're able to find yours. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste. And if you like this practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you know the next time when I upload new videos. See you next time.